I pay full attention to my income statement. After all, it's where all the actions are. Checking balance sheets feels like an extra chore, honestly. This was a statement by one of my clients. After all, hearing this, I was like, wait, what? This entrepreneur client of mine is not a standalone case. I have seen many small business owners being enthusiastic about income statements but indifferent about their balance sheets. Are you one such business owner? I want you to picture your business finance as a garden. The income statement is like the plants, showing growth and health, and the balance sheet is the soil, unseen yet vital. Just as in gardening, healthy soil means a beautiful garden, a strong balance sheet means a sturdy financial foundation for your venture. An income statement shows the current health of your business, but the balance sheet reveals the stability and growth potential of your business. Just as the soil determines the growth of your plants, not keeping an eye on your balance sheet may land your business in unforeseen risk or you may miss growth opportunities. Understanding both income statement and balance sheet is imperative for business owners. It gives you financial clarity and aids in strategic planning. If you find the task challenging, take help from a professional, but never skip scrutinizing your balance sheet to understand the financial health of your small business that you aspire to make big one day. Thank you.